Those of you that watched my previous Walnut Loops video will know that I had a couple of rings left over, and one of them was damaged when it flew off the lathe. Despite the fact that I glued it back together, it still had some torn grain because it wasn't actually finished before it flew off the lathe. Despite that, I decided to make a piece out of the 3 rings I had left over. So I filed and sanded off the inside of the ring that was not finished. After that, I started gluing the rings back together. I put it in the vise just to hold it, and I aligned the faces of the ring I wanted to glue together with the top of my bench, so I could easily just set the other half ring on top, press it down for a minute, and just let it dry. Thankfully, the rings were pretty well balanced, so this was an easy glue up. I'm using some painter's tape to hold this half ring in place while the glue dries. The weight of the wood itself would kind of hold it down. I aligned it with the other piece, let it dry. Turned it over and glued on the last piece. I noticed a slight gap, so I sanded the face so it lined up better. Once the glue dried, I smoothed out the joints with a rotary tool and then hand sanded it. It's going to be a freestanding piece, so I just sanded the bottom flat, then put some wipe-on varnish on it. Not a bad recovery. So if you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you'll come back next time to Cammy's Garage.